Assalamualaikum. Last week we have studied about integers. So what are integers? If we show them on the number line, so integers are positive and negative numbers, as you can see on this number line. It has 0 as well, and it has positive numbers on the right side and negative numbers on the left side, and these are called integers. Now we will learn about what operations can we apply on integers. So you know that what are the operations, what are the operands? Operands are plus, minus, multiply and divide. So if we apply these operations and we will solve integers, then how can we solve these numbers? We have already studied these numbers in our previous class, and we know that if the numbers are adding or subtracting, okay, so we have, when we add numbers, we apply these two rules if they have same signs or if they have different signs. So if the first rule is, if we have same signs, they will be added. Same signs will be added. Same signs are plus is equal to plus, minus is equal to plus. When we will solve these questions, you will understand it better. And then we have the second rule, and that is different signs. So different signs will always be subtracted. Minus plus will become minus, and plus minus will become minus. So let's do some examples so you will understand from examples very well. Adding or subtracting of numbers. Okay, so different signs, plus 3 minus 2 will become plus minus, and they are different signs and we are adding them. So we apply, as I told you before, that we apply 4 operands, that is plus, minus, division and subtraction on integers, and we will see the result, that what result will we have. Okay, so plus 3 and minus 2, plus 3 and minus 2 will become plus 1. Why? Because here we see that when we are adding or subtracting numbers, we will look up to big numbers sign in different signs. Okay, so what is the sign of the big number? The big number is 3 here, and the sign is positive, so we will write plus 1 over here. Now the sign with the bigger number is minus, so we will subtract these numbers, but the sign will be of bigger number, that is minus. So different signs will always be subtracted and the sign will be of the bigger number. Now we have multiplying or dividing numbers. Multiplying or dividing numbers, different signs. If 3 plus 3 is multiplying with minus 2, the answer will be minus 6. If minus 3 is multiplying with plus 2, the answer will be minus 6. So look at the difference. Here we look up to bigger numbers, but here we are not looking up to bigger numbers. If 1 is negative, the answer will be negative. Okay? When we are multiplying, if even one number has negative sign and others are positive, then the answer will be negative. Okay, so we will not look up to bigger number here. Plus minus will become minus, as I told you earlier here, that minus plus or plus minus will become minus in multiplying or dividing. It happens in addition and subtraction as well, but the result will be different. The sign of the result will be different. Okay, so look up to these two definitions and you will understand it better, and you can solve these questions very easily.